So hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Motovlog Brani. Today, what we are talking about, the hot topic for the day is the Hayabusa 2021. So some ways the video has been leaked. A lot of people are saying that, but I don't know which is the official video or not. But when it goes to that video, there are a lot of changes which Hayabusa has got. The 2021 model. One among that is new design, and it's very refreshing to see Hayabusa on its different whole lot different design. So that is one thing that you are saying right away. And there are three different generations that you are seeing right now. I am a fan of the second generation. Obviously, I think it looks muscular, but now the bike has been sleeker and little bit of seems to be a slimmer as well. And it gets a new design over the tank, and even the exhaust has been redesigned, and you will see complete LED over the headlight and the tail light. So the tail light design is also different, and the headlight resembles the same, somewhat similar. Okay, when it comes to the console, I think we were thinking it was a old school for the second generation. If you could see, just a digital meter at the center, the circle one. But now you will get a colored TFT, screen. Where a lot of information that you are going to get. This bike has packed in with different electronics as well, with 10 level of traction control, 3 power modes, and lift control. It is same as the wheelie control, and engine brake control as well. And you have two additional things which has been added now, which is the quick shifter and the auto blipper. Those two are there. We are going to get in 3 different colors, as we see, which is white, silver, red, and black orange. So 3 are good looking colors that we can see over here as per the what we see here, but we don't know what exactly the colors are going to be. And digital cluster shows the lean angle as well, like how much you are leaning the bike. So that is also there, which is provided in this bike. I think all the electronics which other bike offers, they have tried to implement almost everything on this bike too. So that is what is required, right? Once the generation changes, we would be expecting the different changes that has to be provided in the vehicle. So I talked about the power modes. They are calling it as SDMS now, which is Suzuki Drive Mode Selector. So that is an option that you are going to get, which is called as SDMS. Then the price, there are rumors on that it is somewhere close to 20 lakhs is what they are saying, because adding up all those electronics in it. So previously it was around 17 lakhs on road in Bangalore. So now 20 lakhs is somewhere close to that is what we are expecting. That is not officially announced. And power figures, even we don't have the information on it. Probably since it is a BS6, I don't know whether the power will be reduced or kept the same. Let's see. In the official video, everything is going to be revealed by Suzuki India. So until then, we wait for it, and I'll give another video after the launch, the official launch of Suzuki Hayabusa. So for now, what we see, based on that, the review that I am now giving you some informations on it. So that is all the video was about. Okay, thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel Motovlog Brani, and your support is much needed.